We'll guide you through how to color in Krita. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Krita and start a new project by going to File and selecting New. Choose your desired canvas size and resolution. Now, you'll see a blank canvas in front of you. On the right side, you'll find the Layers panel. Click on the New Layer button to create a new layer specifically for your coloring. This helps keep your line art separate and clean. Next, go to the toolbar on the left-hand side and select the Brush tool, which looks like a paintbrush. Then, move to the top of the screen and open the Brush preset panel to choose the type of brush you want. Krita offers a variety of brushes for different textures and effects. Once you've selected your brush, you can adjust the size and opacity using the options at the top toolbar. Pick a color by clicking on the color selector, usually located at the bottom left of the screen. You can also use the color wheel for more nuanced selections. Now, simply start painting on your new layer. If you need to fill larger areas quickly, you can use the Fill tool, also known as the Bucket tool. By selecting it from the toolbar, just click on the area you want to fill. If you make a mistake, don't worry. You can press Ctrl-Z to undo your last action. As you work, remember to save your progress regularly by going to File and selecting Save or Save As. This prevents you from losing your work in case of unexpected shutdowns. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.